It's exit to the jugular vein. All sinuses, it goes to the jugular vein. Also, we had emissary vein. They transmit blood from sinuses to the outer layer, to subcutaneous veins. And also, we had diploid veins. What is a diploid? What is it, diploid?
Double.
Again, what is it, diploid?
Diploid means double.
Diploid, it's actually spongy bones of the skull. Spongy tissue, bony tissue in the skull.
Spongy tissue.
The diploid has some canals which contain the veins. And that veins will call diploic veins. Actually, they locate in the bony tissue and their wall can't contract. Vessels, veins of the body has very thick muscular layer on it, but here not. That's why if we had some fracture, the bones of the skull, it's always cause of strong, severe, dangerous bleeding, because veins can't stop themselves, can't contract to stop bleeding. That's why we have specific technique for prevent that bleeding, to stop this bleeding from the bones of the skull. And veins which transmit blood, venous blood from the bones, called diploid veins. They locate here, then exit to the subcutaneous vein, or send blood to the venous sinuses. You should know the sinuses of the dura mater. So that is the falces, divide the hemisphere. That is the tapetum. It separates the cerebellum. And also here locate the falces of cerebellum, the small similar septum. So have a look on the sinuses of hemisphere. We had superior sagittal sinuses, and on the groove, on the bones, we had the groove, the same name. Have a look, inferior sagittal sinuses, the rictus sinuses, superior petrous sinuses, inferior petrous sinuses, then transverse sinuses, and here sigmoid sinuses. They all share blood to the jugular vein. Also very interesting structure of sinuses, and they play a huge role in outflow of CSF from the brain. The arachnoid matter of the brain, arachnoid, not dura, arachnoid, forms specific processes which called granulation. And that processes mainly locate along the sinuses. Do you remember arachnoid? Arachnoid, it's manages of the brain without vessels, like nerve, with a lot of fissures. And CSF, through that processes, which called granulation or Pacchione granulation, it outflow to the sinuses. The main way of outflow of CSF, it's that granulation. Cerebrospinal fluid also can go or absorbed by the brain, and also it can go through perineural spaces.
Clear?
Clear?
Clear, ma'am.